Hello guys, this is Tasin Ansari, and in this web development of simple banking system project, I am using HTML CSS as front end, and in back end we use Django Web Framework. And for database, Django use inbuilt database SQLite. So here are we in our project folder named initiate, and in this project folder I put all the HTML files in template folder. I am creating three pages: index.html, which is home page, and customer.html is used to show the detail of customer, and in transaction.html is used to show all the transaction has been done. If I am creating a form in customer.html page to do transaction between one account to another account. So in model.py is used to structure the database, which is used to structure the database, and here we creating two tables. First is transaction detail, that means all the transaction detail has been stored in this transaction detail table, and the second is customer detail, which contain all the customer detail like name, email and their available balance. So in views.py file, we are writing our all functions which is used in backend. So here we are creating three functions to render the three pages. So home function is used to render the home page, and customer function is used to render the customer page, and transaction function is used to render the transaction page. So in customer function we are taking all the detail of customer detail, and after that we taking all the value of form which is created in customer page. So after getting all the values from customer table and from form, we validate the value of form from customer table, and after successfully validate we changes in available balance, like in sender available balance we deduct the amount, and in receiver account we added the amount, and after that we save all the changes in customer table, and also we save the transaction detail of this process in transaction table. So here I am using Herico server to host my project, and these are the requirement file which is required by the Herico. So let's jump into our browser and check our project. So this is our home page, and in this home page I am putting some quotation, and in customer page here is our table which contain customer detail like name, email and available balance, and this is our form which we created to use to send money from one account to another account. So let's try. So here I am sending money from my account, and here we selected the amount, and here all the detail of customer. So after selecting that customer, we press the send button, and after we pressing the send button, we will redirected into our customer detail page. So here are the detail of changes in available balance, and let's see in transaction table, and we can see that here we get 2000 deducted in my account and 2000 credited in Om Prakash account. So thank you guys for watching this.